After the matter was put for argument on his bail application at 4 o'clock today. Now the bail application has been argued and the matter is kept for orders tomorrow. Along with the so-called notice to the IO to remain present in the, because I have pressed that how could the IO actually arrest in violation of the Supreme Court guidelines. So this is basically my grounds of argument other than the merits of the case.
So you did not go on the merit of the case?
Yes,
Why?
because see what happens is when you don't have the powers to arrest, how can you arrest? So why should I touch the merits of the case?
You rightly raised one issue that application, his complaint was filed 1 year back. So
Complaint is filed
1 year back.
No. Complaint is filed now of an incident which had happened 1 year back.
Okay, it is
So
right.
there was no pressing urgency for him to be arrested, right?
Okay.
Everything was available with you. You waited for 1 year and thereafter you go and arrest him abruptly. And that too in violation of the Supreme Court guidelines. SOPs are there. Supreme Court has come up heavily on the state government to say that you can't arrest, and moreover violating of those orders is entitling the accused to be granted bail. So having said that, he in the first place shouldn't have been arrested.
That is correct, sir. But what would you say about the allegation?
Allegations, we should not, it is too early to say about allegations, anything about the allegations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir,
Kapil.